Definitely if you're going to do it the right way. Don't cut the corners in the beginning. Go to the classes. Those have really benefited us a lot. And I think just that alone has given us more confidence in what we're about to do.
My name's Kevin Blevins. This is my wife, Yahana. We're from West Virginia. And I'm here to purchase Lil Bubba equipment and secure my family's future.
Jason, this is Kendra and Morski. We're here from Nisbet, Mississippi, because we just wanted to start something that was profitable and be our own bosses.
A good friend of mine that's landscaping business had been looking at it, and he knew that I was looking for a business to get into. I've been a professional driver for about 33 years, and I'm looking to get out of driving, and he knew I was looking for something to get into that I could make good money and spend more time with my family, and he showed it to me, and right away I was interested.
I think I saw it on Facebook.
Yeah, he first showed me the Facebook video, and I went through those, and I was hooked. We decided it would be a good idea.
For me, it's been great. I came into this very pessimistic and doubting that I have the mindset and stuff to do it. And once it was demonstrated and we actually got to put our hands on it and see the process and feel the machinery, the tooling and stuff like that, it really eased my mind and made me aware, I can do this and probably be pretty good at it.
I've always been hands-on with every job that I've done, so this is crucial for me to come to this class and do it, and do not only the sitting down in the room and stuff and learning the marketing part of it, but being out there and seeing it for myself, seeing the different tools, being able to work with them.
Everybody seems to be willing to work together, friendly people, jumping in and helping each other.
Personally, I've been able to hear other questions being asked that I may not have thought to ask, or I can see other mistakes or other things that people have done well and learn from that as well.
It's nice to know that they've been doing it for so long and they have little tips and tricks they can show you on how to be profitable, how to do stuff faster, and not to spend too much time on certain things where you end up costing yourself money.
It's really nice having the instructor there kind of walking you through each step of the process and what to do, and let us make our mistakes as well to teach us how we're going to fix it. I like it. I like that it's not black and white, that you do have room to play with it, and especially with the Moroccan, to make it your own, and then you can come back later and be like, I did that and it looks fantastic, and everybody's says how great it looks.
Yeah, as far as the trailer wraps go, Lil Bubba produces. They're absolutely phenomenal. They're eye-catching, eye-popping, and I mean, it's essentially rolling billboard. It's going to bring you a lot of business. I plan on building this business up big enough that that I could possibly bring my sons into it and make a family business out of it and help others in the community.
My goal is to hopefully turn this into a full-time job and quit doing what I'm doing. Hopefully we can get enough work.
Yeah, that's.
We just run this.
My same hope is to quit my full-time job and be able to do this as our full-time business. Definitely if you're going to do it the right way. Don't cut the corners in the beginning. Go to the classes. Those have really benefited us a lot, and I think just that alone has given us more confidence in what we're about to do. But none of this stuff is hard. Everything that we've done so far, I haven't looked at it and been like, man, I don't think I can do that. Everything's pretty easy and straightforward, and
I would say to do it. It's not really complicated. I think anybody can get the hang of it. Just being here a few days, I feel pretty confident I can go out there and put good product down for customers.
Anybody, I would tell anybody that's thinking about this, put your time into it, put your research into it, and do it. Just do it. You won't be disappointed.